Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna learn how to solve literal equations. Before we're gonna start, let's pause the video and give you a try. Okay, let's get started. What is literal equation? Literal equation is the equation that has more than one variable. Alright, let's take a look at the first one. Solve for x. So if the question asks you to solve for x, consider x variable. Other variables just a constant. Okay, so I look at x right here. This is my only variable. Right, I treat y right here as a constant. So let's see, I try to isolate x. So basically, I just subtract 3y both sides. Alright, 3y minus 3y gone. I have 2x, I bring 2x down. Equal -1 minus 3y. Alright, next one, I just divide both sides by 2. And then 2 and 2 cancel out. I have x equal -1 minus -3y over 2. Alright, let's move on to the second. Solve for k. Okay, so I see that there are two variables right here, k and b. Alright, I treat b as a constant. Okay, now I need to combine like terms first. So I have 3 right here, negative 3k plus 7k equal 4k. So add 4k equal 5b. Next one, I subtract 3 both sides because I'm trying to isolate k, right? So this and this cancel out. I have 4k left equal 5b minus 3. I divide both sides by 4. Divide both sides by 4. Alright, so k equal this and this cancel out. K equal 5b minus 3 over 4. Done. Right. Now, question number 3. Solve for b. Alright. So I look at this one, I see that we have the variable a, b, and c. Right. I treat a as a constant. I treat c as a constant. I only have one variable b right here. Okay. So in order to solve equation with a fraction, okay, you need to eliminate fraction. Right? Please check out the previous video to know how to solve the equation with fraction. Alright, so basically I need to multiply both sides by 2 because I see denominator 2 right here. Okay, so if I multiply both sides by 2, what happens? 2 and 2 right here cancel out. So I only have 4a plus 10b left on the left hand side equal the right hand side 2 times c, it could be 2c. Alright, since I'm trying to solve for b, alright, so I need to subtract 4a both sides. And then 4a, negative 4a gone. I bring 10b down equal 2c minus 4a. Next one, I'm trying to solve for b. I divide both sides by 10. Divide both sides by 10. And I'm going to end up with b right here. This and this cancel out. Now, this is 2c minus 4a divided by 10. Okay, I take each term divided by 10. So 2c divided by 10, right? I simplify 2 and 10 right here. I'm going to end up with c over 5. minus 4 and 10 right here. I divide the top and bottom by 2. So it could be 2a over 5. Alright. This one, I just write them at the same denominator. So b equal c minus 2a over 5. Alright. Let's move on to the number 4. Solve for h. Solve for h. Okay. So I look at this equation right here. I see that there are 3 variables, a, b, and h. Now, questions ask you to solve for h. So a equal b times h. I can write bh equal a, right? They're both the same. Now, the reason why I write this one so that it helps you easy to understand, right? So, solve for h, I divide both sides by b, because I'm trying to solve for h, which means I need to isolate h. So, I divide both sides by b. B and b right here cancel out. I only have h right here. Equal a over b. Now, question number 5. Solve for b. Alright, do the same thing. Now, question number 5 similar to question number 3 right here. Okay, whenever I see the fraction, I need to deal with the fraction first. Okay, I see the 2 in the denominator right here. I need to multiply both sides by 2. Okay, so I need to multiply both sides by 2. So I'm going to end up with 2a. Now 2 right here, right? I put 2 right here so that you easy to understand. So 2 right here and 2 right here cancel out. So it's going to be equal b h. Now I need to solve for b, so I just rewrite this equation to a. Alright, now I need to solve for b. Alright, so I need to isolate b, which means I need to eliminate h right here. So I divide both sides by h. Divide both sides by h. So h cancel out. I have b equal 2a divide h. Okay. Now, number 6. Solve for r. Okay, same thing. C equal 2 pi r. I just rewrite 2 pi r equal c. Now I need to solve for r, which means I need to eliminate 2 pi, right? I divide both sides by 2 pi. Divide both sides by 2 pi. Alright, 2 pi cancel out. So the answer should be r equal c over 2 pi. Next one. Solve for w. Okay, w right here on the right hand side. Alright, I just rewrite this one. So I rewrite this one. It's going to be 2L plus 2W equal P, right? Now, because I need to solve for W, so I need to try to eliminate 2L right here. So I subtract 2L both sides. Right, this and this cancel out. I have 2W left equal P minus 2L. Now I need to solve for W. I need to divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. And then I'm going to end up with W equal P minus 2L divided by 2. Alright. Now the last question right here. Solve for B1. Okay. Again, question number 8, similar to question number 3 right here. Alright, we need to eliminate denominator first. In order to do that, you need to multiply both sides by 2. Right, this is 2. So, the left hand side should be 2a. The right hand side, 2 and 2 cancel out. So I have b1 plus b2 parentheses times h. Don't forget to put parentheses, because if you don't put parentheses, you're going to get the wrong answer for sure. So keep that in mind. Alright, so next one, because you need to solve for b1, right? So you need to isolate B1 by eliminating H first. Okay. So I divide both sides by H. Divide both sides by H. So H and H right here cancel out. Right. I don't have enough space. I print it up over here. So I'm going to end up with 2A over H equal B1 plus B2. Alright, because I need to solve for B1, so I need to eliminate B2. In order to do that, I need to subtract B2 both sides. Subtract B2 both sides. Alright, so the left hand side should be 2A over H B2. And the right hand side, this and this cancel out. I only have B1 left. Okay? And this is the answer. Alright. So keep in mind, in order to solve linear equation, you must master the one-step equation, two-step equation, and multi-step equation. In order to do that, please check out the previous video for your reference. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
Nothing